Hi, Kate Dachovska here. I'm going to show you 4 funny backgrounds for baby cards. I will be working with these papers and off the camera I cut from them some baby die cuts, I could say. I love those polka dots and stripes. So let's create background for my card. The first one will be very easy. I will apply structure paste over stencil. I will dry it with heat tool of the camera because drying process is quite long. And then I will be applying Glimmer Mist by Tattered Angels. For all my cards today, I will use just 3 colors of Glimmer Mist. So water as the first layer. I forgot to tell you that I'm working on heavyweight watercolor paper. And I will be applying glimmer mists just here and there till I will be satisfied with the result. The first layer I didn't like so much, so you will see me adding the next one. And of course I cut drying process. So again, water and next layer. I'm using another shade of pink, just a little bit to calm down background. And after applying, I will dry it with heat tool. There is cream color, the third color for this background. So here it is, my first background for my card, and because it's a little bit mixed media, I decided that I will distress edges. I don't have any distress tool, just scissors. And here it is, and in a second you will see the finished card. It looks really nice, it's easy, fast, and you can really mass produce these cards. Now I will be doing some heat embossing with this big frantic stamper background stamp called Script. I'm using Versamark. I'm applying it not over whole image because I need it just in the center, in the middle of the card. So let's stamp. And now I will use white embossing powder. It's from Stampin' Dolls. It's detail. It's great when you have some detailed stamped images. And I will heat set it. So the first layer of my background is ready. And now it's time for Glimmer Mist. I will apply blue color. And again, I will be working just in the middle of this card base. I love this heat resist background. It looks really great. And drying process, distressing edges, and my panel is ready to be glued on the no card. And you will see in a minute finished card. Here it is, lovely baby card. My third background is, I think, the easiest. We will be just drawing lines with a brush. You can make with Glimmer Mist your own patterned paper. You don't have to be artist. Just play. I will be drawing blue lines and cream lines. Again, I am working with the same blue Glimmer Mist. And during switching to another color, I will dry the blue lines. It's better because I don't want to have connect these lines. So the cream lines, I want different thicks, I think it's word. And you will see how lovely this background is. You can combine a lot of different types of Tattered Angels paste. For today I used Glimmer Mist, but you can take any. And here it is, my finished card. And the last card It's very funny. I think the technique I'm using, it's calling smooshing. It's with plastic foil, just playing with colors, applying it. I sped up the process 4 times because I really played with the colors. And I thought my background is still a little bit boring, so you will see me drawing hearts just to add more interest to background. So I think it's smooshing. You can use plastic foil, or you can use also, I think, with acrylic block, it goes great. Just be sure to dry between each layers. And next layer, you can make big splatters with it or smaller one. It's really up to you. Heat tool is the biggest helper in these card techniques. Of course, you can use these techniques on layouts or in art journal. So here I'm just drawing basic hearts. So my background will be much more interested. But if you like just this smooshed colors, just let it be. And here is my final card. Thank you for watching.